what's going on with your research right now?
Yeah, so last time we spoke, I think it was just the beginning of the lab, right?
Mm-hmm.
And let's say last year and a half, there's been a lot of activities where I'm trying to do a number of things in between teaching and other items that I have to do. But what's exciting is the ability to collaborate with others.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you think about this technology and what it's trying to do, you're going into so many disciplines and you're borrowing knowledge from those disciplines and you try to apply it to a phenomenon that is of your interest. And it's hard to become expert in all those areas, right? So you have to collaborate. When you think about it, this requires neuroscience, psychology, just to start, human-computer interactions, experimental design, statistical analysis, all those things need to come together. So some of the areas where I'm collaborating, Dr. Gilstrap and we are working on the understanding why videos go viral. So that was a pretty intensive data collection effort where we are now at the point of trying to understand the data. We gave subjects 13 videos. Some of them are high viralities, others are not. And trying to understand how they react to them, see what is the mix of emotions and emotional responses to them. Some are sad, some are happy, some are kind of scary, like you mentioned, high height or something like that. We're trying to see, it's more exploratory study, what is the secret sauce? Because if you are a company that's trying to advertise, everybody's looking for that viral video and how to make it organic, right? So some of the insights from our study could be really helpful to organizations like that. And what's amazing is there really isn't much research in that space, at least at the universities. I'm sure that some of the bigger companies are trying to do that. I hope so, but I didn't hear much about it. So it's cutting edge. Then I'm working also with a professor from Missouri, Fiona Na. We are trying to understand are there correlates in your brain activity of state of flow. And that might sound kind of fancy, state of flow. What that means is just basically when you know that task matches your skills. So sometimes when you do things, you feel like you're in a flow. You just kind of get them done, right? And we are trying to understand, is there a correlate, something that can be associated with a state of flow in your brain? So if we capture that will be neat, because nobody has done that before. And then we can start measuring somebody's brain activity and say they are in a state of flow. And then how do we achieve that? Because it's very effective.
Thank you for giving your time today and coming into the studio to talk about your research findings as of right now and where it's going in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.